everybody! Welcome back to Bing Brooklyn. Today we're gonna make vanilla cupcakes. Okay, so now this is the ingredients. We will be needing a vanilla cupcake mix and 160 ml of 2 to 3 cups of water, which we only have 1 cup now. And we have 60 grams of margarine, 2 eggs, and sprinkles if you want to add them on your cupcakes. Okay. Oopsies. It looks like butter. What? Never mind. Vanilla cupcake mix. Smells nice. Smells like icing. It's nice. I mixed it for 1 minute and now I'm gonna put it in the cups. This is taking forever. Hey. No, we just have to do that 1 million more times. Now we're ready to bake it. Yay! Yeah. It's so heavy. It's so heavy like this. Yeah. Okay. There. Finally, we're done! But we accidentally overflowed it. And now we're going to put icing! Yay!
Good.
Okay.
So you have to do that.
What? Do what? Who really makes icing like this? I cannot do sprinklers. They're all falling. Now let's try one. Now it is time to try our cupcakes. I'll try this one because it's the juiciest one. I can't eat the cake. What do I do? What do I use this?
Fork it up. Yeah, and then try. No.
There.
How is it?
That is good.
How good is it? Like, how's the taste?
100%.
Like, I mean, is it sweet or is it?
It's sweet.
And then
It's sweet.
it smell like what? Like,
Of course, vanilla.
okay. Was it, Didi?
Hmm?
Was it?
Oh boy.